Hey guys, how's it going? I'm here with my son who is just about 9 years old, and we just got him this electric toothbrush. So he's 9, we're hitting that preteen stage, and he's doing a lot of his own hygiene care. And this toothbrush is kind of an insurance plan for mom and dad to show us that he follows the right time on brushing his teeth when we're not here monitoring him. As you can see, it comes with this really nice charging base. It does keep a charge for about 2 months. And it's just a USB plug-in here that you do that with. There are 2 brush heads included. I really like them because they're soft and great for kids and sensitive teeth. So there are 3 different modes on here: sensitive, white, and clean. And hit it again and it turns off. Now, what we really like about this, my husband and I, is this has a built-in 2-minute timer. Every 30 seconds, it will kind of pause and alert you to switch zones of brushing your teeth. So we have front, back, tops, things like that. So he's gonna go ahead and brush his teeth, and I will show you what it looks like in use. Okay, so here we are. He's brushing his teeth, getting them all clean on the different time zones. He's not a fan of being on camera brushing his teeth. So this is a great toothbrush. My husband and I would highly recommend it.